twin flame connection is one of the most profound mysteries of existence, often described as the meeting of two souls that were once one. Many spiritual traditions have spoken of this union, two beings sharing the same energetic essence, drawn together by a force that transcends space and time. While it sounds poetic, modern quantum physics has begun to reveal truths that echo this ancient wisdom. Beneath the surface of all things lies a unified field, a vast ocean of energy and information, where everything is connected. In that field, separation is an illusion. And it is within this quantum reality that the twin flame bond finds its scientific reflection. Quantum physics tells us that every particle in the universe exists not as a solid point, but as a wave of potential, a vibration of energy. These waves constantly interact and influence one another, forming an intricate web of connection. When two particles become entangled, they share information instantaneously, no matter the distance between them. If one particle spins in a certain direction, the other responds in perfect harmony, even if they are light years apart. This is not a theory. It has been proven through countless experiments, challenging our understanding of time, space, and reality itself. Now imagine this principle operating not only in matter, but also in consciousness. If consciousness is a fundamental part of the universe, as many physicists like Max Planck and modern thinkers such as Nassim Haramein and Amit Goswami suggest, then two souls that were once one could, in theory, remain energetically entangled. Their vibrations, once in harmony, would continue to resonate across dimensions. When one shifts, heals, or awakens, the other feels it at a deep and often inexplicable level. This is the essence of the twin flame connection, not a romantic myth, but a vibrational resonance rooted in the very fabric of reality. Each twin carries the same energetic signature, existing as 2 points of awareness within one quantum field. When they come into contact, that shared energy amplifies, like two tuning forks vibrating in unison. The experience can be overwhelming because it brings to the surface all frequencies that are not yet in harmony. Every unresolved emotion, fear, or belief that prevents alignment with pure love. In the quantum world, resonance is everything. When two systems vibrate at the same frequency, they merge and amplify each other. This is known as coherence. Coherence creates order, stability, and flow. Incoherence, on the other hand, creates chaos and resistance. The twin flame journey is essentially a process of achieving quantum coherence between two beings. It requires both to raise their vibrational state, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually, until their frequencies match once again in unconditional love. When you think of your twin flame and feel their presence, even when they are far away, you are tuning into that shared field. The heart, as proven by research from the HeartMath Institute, emits an electromagnetic field that extends several meters beyond the body. When you focus on love, gratitude, and compassion, that field becomes coherent, stable, and harmonious. It communicates information not through words, but through vibration. If your twin flame is entangled with your energetic signature, your coherence can influence theirs, helping both of you rise toward alignment. This is why the journey to union begins within. You cannot force the physical reunion through control, obsession, or fear, those frequencies create incoherence. Instead, you achieve union by shifting your inner vibration. In the quantum sense, your thoughts and emotions are waves of energy that collapse into form through focus and intention. When you focus on love, you are literally creating a quantum field in which love becomes the dominant frequency. This field then begins to shape your reality, drawing experiences and people who match that vibration, including your twin flame when the resonance is right. To understand this more deeply, imagine the universe as an infinite ocean of energy. Every thought, emotion, and intention sends ripples through that ocean. When your thoughts are scattered or rooted in fear, your energy creates turbulence, conflicting waves that cancel each other out. But when your mind and heart are aligned in love, your energy creates a consistent wave pattern that attracts harmony. Your twin flame, being vibrationally linked to you, feels this pattern subconsciously. The more you stabilize your frequency, the more they are drawn toward coherence as well. One of the greatest discoveries in quantum physics is that observation changes reality. The observer effect demonstrates that particles behave differently when they are being watched or measured. In simple terms, consciousness shapes matter. This means your awareness, your focus, and your emotional state are constantly influencing your experience. When you dwell on separation or longing, you strengthen that reality. When you focus on unity and unconditional love, you begin to collapse the wave of separation and manifest alignment. Achieving twin flame union, therefore, is not about searching outward, but turning inward, transforming your own energy field to resonate with love, peace, and wholeness. In the quantum field, like attracts like, two frequencies vibrating in coherence cannot remain apart. So, the key to union lies not in chasing, but in becoming the vibration that allows union to exist. Begin by practicing self-awareness. Notice your thoughts, your emotions, and your reactions. Every moment you feel fear, doubt, or attachment, you are lowering your vibration. The goal is not to suppress these feelings, but to observe them with love. In doing so, you transform them. Energy cannot be destroyed. It can only be transmuted. When you face your inner shadows with compassion, you raise their frequency, converting pain into wisdom and fear into love. Meditation is one of the most powerful tools for this process. When you enter a meditative state, your brain waves slow down, your heart rate stabilizes, and your energy field becomes coherent. You begin to access the quantum field consciously. Visualization techniques can amplify this. Imagine your heart as a radiant source of golden light, expanding and filling the room. See that light traveling through the quantum field, reaching your twin flame wherever they are, enveloping both of you in love and balance. You are not trying to control them. You are simply harmonizing with the frequency of unconditional love. Breathwork also plays an essential role. The breath is the bridge between body and consciousness. Slow, deep breathing aligns the heart and mind, creating electromagnetic coherence. As you breathe consciously, your body emits signals of safety and harmony. This shifts you into a parasympathetic state, the state of healing, receptivity, and connection. In this state, you become a transmitter of pure, stable energy that can be felt across distance. Gratitude is another key. In quantum terms, gratitude aligns you with abundance rather than lack. When you feel grateful, your heart's electromagnetic field becomes more ordered and expansive. You move into resonance with the energy of having rather than needing. This opens the gateway for your twin flame to match your vibration without the resistance created by longing or fear. Gratitude tells the universe, I already have love. And the universe mirrors that truth back to you. As your vibration stabilizes, you may begin to experience synchronicities, repeating numbers, songs, dreams, or sudden thoughts of your twin flame that align with real-world events. These are quantum echoes, signs that your frequencies are aligning and the field between you is becoming coherent. It's important to remain patient and trusting. Quantum energy operates beyond linear time. What appears delayed in the physical world may already be happening energetically. Trust that the universe is orchestrating alignment in ways the mind cannot comprehend. One of the hardest lessons in this process is surrender. In quantum language, surrender means letting go of resistance. The more you try to control how union unfolds, the more you create energetic friction. But when you release attachment and trust the process, your energy becomes fluid, allowing the quantum field to bring the highest outcome naturally. This is not passive waiting. It's active alignment. You are choosing love, peace, and balance in every moment, regardless of external circumstances. Science shows us that the entire universe is a dance of frequencies seeking balance. Even atoms bond through resonance. Twin flame union follows the same principle. It's not about two incomplete beings finding each other. It's about two complete beings vibrating in the same frequency of divine love. The connection already exists in the quantum field. It simply needs to be tuned into harmony. So when you heal, forgive, meditate, and love yourself, you are not only transforming your life, you are transforming the shared energetic system that binds you and your twin flame. Every time you choose love over fear, you send a quantum signal across the field that helps both of you evolve. This is why many twin flames report feeling their counterparts' emotional shifts, sudden peace, or awakenings after they've done deep inner work. It's the entangled energy field rebalancing itself. Eventually, when both frequencies are stable and coherent, physical union becomes not only possible, but inevitable. The outer reality simply mirrors the inner vibration. And when this union happens, it feels effortless, not because you forced it, but because you became it. You realize that the love you were searching for was never outside of you. It was the same quantum light shining from within both souls all along.